Yogurt is ready. More yogurt, eggs, fruits, and fruits. Okay. No, dang it. Bum, how are you doing? Elvin, right back with another video. Whoop, whoop, whoop. By the way, we are growing. We are so much growing. Welcome to the new subscribers. You will love it here. I believe so because I love it here and I'm growing into this as well. So tujijenge, let's grow together. Okay, welcome back. Today's video is going to be more of organization. I'm going to organize my little tiny fridge right here. I got some organizational stuff right there. Don't mind the mess that is in the kitchen, but that's what I'm going to work with for now. Let me wash it up and we organize my fridge. It's really a big mess, so hope you enjoy. But before I do this, I have fruits. I want to sort them up. Let me show you the current state of my fridge. So this is the meat that I have in the fridge. There is nothing up there, so just look down here. There is nothing on these sides, and right here I have my egg holder. I don't know what I'll be putting here because I have a bigger egg holder, and juices, extra water, more water, and some wine. I got some of this is the current state of my fridge. So this is like the before, but for now I need this to soak up the veggies. I read somewhere you can use apple cider vinegar. I have this one here. In washing your vegetables, it kills the bacteria in it, I guess. So yeah.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
I got some pineapples. I'll need to slice them up and put them in here so that it can be easy for packaging in the fridge.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, figures in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it.
So this container holds 32 pieces of eggs because okay, 16 and don't hit. Sorry, how many are 16 and 16? But right now I have only 20 pieces of eggs, and that's what I'm going to use for now because I'm alone.
Season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum. Taking just be. Don't take it.
Yogurt is ready. More yogurt, eggs, fruits, and fruits.
Take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Take it.
Now we're going to clear up whatever is in here. Kabisa, remove it all. Set it aside, then start organizing this place.
Time else to be and live my life. Hey. Take it, just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. make a name.
So in here I'll put my tomatoes, and eggs will go there. And the yogurt any milk stuff will go up here. Down here then I'll have my fruits will go, of course, kabisa, tomatoes in there. So let's see how it goes. Anything else that won't fit there will come here. Some soda will come here, and the remaining yogurt. All the containers are from Brother Richard Home Essentials. Brother Richard Essentials. It's an IG page. You get 3 for 2K if you're Kenyan. 2,000 Kenyan shillings. How much is that in dollars? $20, I guess. Tiny kitchen problems, but never mind.
Live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady.
Good. I've tweaked it here and there, but you know I have a tiny fridge, so yeah, that's why. But everything is in, and I'm happy about that. This container that has eggs, actually here, this one with eggs had to go in the middle. Up here I have my milk, yogurt, so milk, yogurt, and more yogurt, and some watermelon for much later. Down here I have my eggs and some spinach. I've not removed it from the original packaging. I'll remove it when I'll use it. Then down here I have my apples, green peppers, and some passion fruits, of course. Then in this fresh basket I'll put my tomatoes, my minji, my green peas. This is cucumber, and down there is cauliflower. I don't want to remove it, oh god. So yeah, I have a small fridge. Not organizing, but I've realized Pinterest is not for tiny fridges, but I'm thankful. So on the door Right here I have my soy sauce. These are like cooking thingies. This can go down here and this can go down here so that I can put something else up here. Perfect. This can go up here. Oh, okay. So I decided to put my grapes up here because they have no space in the fridge. So here are my grapes, here's my soda, here's my yogurt that couldn't fit in here. So here is the yogurt, some juice for me, some soda for my bigger nieces, and I can't wait for them to come so that we can know how this tastes, you know, just eager. Oh god, where is my mouth? Yeah, like that. So yeah, some yogurt, some soda, more soda, some soy sauce for cooking. I don't know, dang it. You know how hard it is to squeeze lime? Sorry about that, but lost some lime. It's so hard to squeeze it, and never mind. So here, some lime is up there, changed with yogurt here, and some soda and some juice. Down here I have water, juice, I don't know, ketchup. I store my ketchup in the fridge. Oh my god, what's going on with my hands today? And apple cider is behind here. Yeah, that's all for my fridge. So after organizing everything, my fridge looked dull and dark, and I'm not happy with how it turned out, truth be told. So this stuff that remained from organizing, I'll make good use of it, like place this in there. Good. See how they fit so well. So I'll place this there. My apples, a few, I'll place them inside here. Yeah, so apples, passion fruits. Okay, so you see this go up here like this. Let me fix it. So this goes here like this. See, that is good. So I can put like my passion fruits in here, and it's actually expandable. So thinking of putting the passion fruits in there, can separate them, no problem, in batches like that. Then with my little theory, place them in here like that. So you see how it goes in? It goes in so perfectly. So this is my leftover, more yogurt, leftover food, eggs. I'll put in here my capsicum. Then these are passion fruits. These are apples. That's spinach. This is a watermelon. And my green beans and my tomatoes right in there, and my cucumber. So yeah, I think that works perfectly, right? This is actually after some days of using stuff, then realizing that some things don't work the way I wanted them to work, And I'm going to be honest and keep it 100 with you guys. When you have a tiny fridge, your organization is cute on the bigger fridges, but for tiny fridges, you need to look for tinier containers such as this to organize your fridge, because they fit perfectly and the light flows through smoothly. All right, so don't beat yourself up when you're trying to organize and looking for a Pinterest worthy fridge and you see yours is not it's not anything Pinteresty. So yeah, it looks okay for me and it works. So that's all for today's video. I can say I am done with fridge organization. Everything that's supposed to go in there is already in the fridge. Everything can be seen where it is. Anybody can pick whatever they want from it. So I'm good with that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you so much. God loves you more. See you on the next one. Bye. Mwah. I love you, but God loves you more. Have I said that? I think so. And comment, like if you like it, comment for more ideas, and subscribe. To the new subscribers, welcome to the family. Okay, see you soon. Bye.